ad-free music listening on Spotify Premium. Whether you're studying, working, or powering through a busy day, Premium keeps your focus sharp with non-stop music listening. Stay focused, stay inspired. Enjoy ad-free music listening all day, all night. Go Premium today.
Let your music taste shine with Premium. Host a jam with your friends and share your favorite songs with the entire squad without ad breaks. You can also play your favorite albums in any order with unlimited skips and repeats. Tap the banner to learn more.
What's up? What's up, guys? What's up, people? What's up, people? It's good to be back. It's good to be back. It's good to be back. I miss you guys, guys. I miss you guys so much. And it's good to be back streaming. It's good to be back streaming, guys. It's actually good to be back. We're about to start the stream right now. I believe you guys can see my screen about now. Yeah, you guys can see my stream right now. So it's good to be back. It's good to be back on stream. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while. It's been like over a month that I stream. I'm not be as consistent as I mentioned I'm going to be this year, but it's good to be back. It's good to be with you guys. Honestly speaking, it's actually good to be with you guys. So um let's just do a quick rundown on what is going on right now. And from there we can follow up. Let's just do a quick rundown. So um there are some things I'm seeing on my chart that I see there. Let me just clear it up because we have not placed any trade in a while. This month, yeah. So you can see a quick rundown. You can see for the entire year we have just four trade on streams, and four break even, and one loss. That's what we have. So let's be looking. Let's look at gold. Let's work our way through. Let's analyze gold. Let us see what God is telling us, and from there we can follow up. But let us take a look at this pair and see what exactly is going on. Then we can follow up from there. The first thing I want to do is I want to remove all my tools on the chart and leave it very clean and simple. Then I'm going to work my way through and look for what exactly I will need to see on the chart. Then from there we can follow up. Yeah, from there we can follow up. 1 second, guys. There's still one more thing I need to do that I haven't done. So just hold on, guys. I'll mute you guys for a second, but just hold on. Back to the stream, back to the analysis. Let's go over let's go over gold and let's see what gold is telling us, and let's work our way through, and hopefully we got opportunities today. But if we don't, that's very fine. We move on to the next day, which we're going to be streaming from time to time now because I'm back and have a lot of stuff for you guys. So let's just get straight to it and let's see exactly how we can make something out of this pair. So this is the daily time frame on gold, and you can see on the daily, what can you notice in daily that price has a support level here, and there's also a support level down here. Price tried to retest this level but couldn't. And you can see it's rejecting from this level right now. So we have a support level right here. Now looking at the structure and the way it is, we also have what a resistance above this level. So this is like the range gold is currently, but it's looking like a sell formation because you have a double top. Let's also zoom out on the daily so you can see, but you can also notice that double, yeah, it's having like a sell momentum because price are broken below the previous low. This is the previous low right here on the daily, and but we're not mostly concerned about what's going price going on here because we are scalping. We're looking to get into the price and get out as soon as we can, as soon as possible. So that's what we are interested in while trading gold. Now let's drop down to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what the 4 hours is doing. So we have about 8 more minutes to London open. So let's see how we can break this down before London open and see how we could likely look for a clean opportunity where we can probably place a trade from and see how we can make money from this. So if you go down to the 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour on gold has a clear direction. So let's adjust our support now. Let's adjust our support. Let's leave our resistance the way it is. Then if you drop down to the 30 minutes, um yeah, so 30 minutes, you can see that price is struggling here. Is after price got to this level of resistance, you can see it gave us a rejection area and started pushing downwards, but you can see it's struggling here. We also have a 30-minute support down here like this. You can see price is struggling. So based on how I trade, I'll be looking for opportunities below this level, which is 14709. The price break below the structure, I might look for opportunities for price to go for short and selling price to close below. But also I'm also going to be looking for opportunities for buy, a quick buy to the upside. If we also get a break of structure above this level, price closing above this level, have a bullish candle closing above this level, I don't mind buying to the top because it's over 100 pips. So I don't mind getting half of the position, half on about 50 or 60 and getting out of the trade. I don't mind doing that. I don't mind getting in that position and making money from it. So that's exactly what I'm seeing here. That's exactly what I want price to do. So we have about 5 more minutes for this candle to end. So what we're going to do is just sit our hands, close our hands, and wait for how the price play out. Then from there we can know exactly what we're going to do. But for now, there's nothing exactly we can. There's nothing doing now. Yeah, okay. Sorry guys, we just have to wait for the next 5 minutes to see how the price closes. Then we can decide what's next for us. But for now, there's nothing. Just see how we can get the 5 minute candle closing a certain way. Then from there we can execute. Now let's go over to GJ while we're waiting for that. Let's go over to GJ. GJ is like it's just moving sideways at this point. It's trending and ranging and moving sideways. Because look at I don't know understand what this I don't understand what's going on here right now. I know you can see this. Why is someone saying red and green candle at the same time on the 1 hour on GJ? I believe it's a mistake. It's not though. What's going on here? What is going on in my chat? What's going on in my chat, guys? So we're waiting, guys. We're waiting. Let's see. 3 more minutes, guys. So another thing that can happen in the next 3 minutes is that I might go for impulsive entry, but I'm looking at the fact that today is Monday, so I don't think I would actively want to do that. I don't think I would actively want to do that just because today is Monday, and I don't want to be. I don't want my first trade to be me just playing around. So I actually want a good trade for me to place on a Monday morning. So I have to wait, and I'll wait for just cleaner setup for me to execute my trades. But let's wait. Let's see if we can get what we need, and if we can do that, we would be in a trade. We'll be right in the trade and trending, just basically in the trade. So let's wait and see what's gonna happen. We have about 2 more minutes to the end of the candle. Can we get a closure above? If not, can we get an impulsive buy above this level for price to push up? Since it's going to be um London open as well, so that's going to be London open, meaning that will bring in London momentum, London direction, and all. So let's see. Let's see, guys. We're waiting. We have about 2 minutes, exactly 2 more minutes to the end of the candle. And we see what's gonna happen right now. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes, guys. So you can see it's rejecting, which is fine. Which is fine. One more minute, 1 second. One more minute, guys. Let's get ready to get the party started. So I doubt that we might get an entry on like the closure we need, or the candle, even the 30 minutes candle. So I doubt that the 30 minutes candle will end the way I want it to end. So regardless, if I don't get that, it's also fine. We just need to wait, and we need to wait. No go far. Get no go far. Patience is everything. Patience is key. Patience is the main thing in FX. So you have to be patient enough to get the kind of setup you want. So price has closed, but it didn't close the way I want it. It didn't close the way I like. Well, you just have to wait. You see, price is just ranging right here on the 5 minutes, on the 15 minutes. You can see the range. Price is just moving in between. So we just have to wait right now, and let's see how the candle close. Let's just wait and see how the candle closes. Then from there we can know how we proceed from here. You get me? So initially I was looking for sales, and sales will still be my overall instinct. So you can see I like the way the 1 hour candle close. So always go over all your candles after the candles are closed to know how they ended, and also I like the way the 1 hour close. Can we get a top break, and can you get the 15 minutes breaking below this level, including bearish? Then we can look to likely sell the price. So we have about 13 more minutes to the end of this candle. Let's see exactly how that 30 minutes plays out and if we can get anything out of gold. And if that's good, if that makes sense, then fine. If it works out for buy too, fine. We just have to wait it out and see what it plays out. Just have to wait it out. Just have to wait it out, guys. 13 more minutes to go. 13 more minutes, guys. 13 more minutes. So in case you guys still don't understand what I say I'm looking for, so this is simply like this is the best way I can tell you that this is what I'm looking for price to do in order for me to enter the trade. So for buys, I want price to close. Sorry guys, for buying opportunity, I want price to close probably the way it's moving right now, close bullish above the level like this. It's weak rejection. Then I can look for the next candle, the next 15 minutes candle to weak down a bit, and as it's flipping bullish to push up, I can look to get, depending on how this wick is long or short, I can look to get at the flip of the candle or at the break of the previous high. So it just depends on how this candle performs. That's how I'm going to enter this particular trade. So same thing for selling opportunity. I just will wait for price to push down, close below the structure. We have a like close very below the structure, give me some weak rejection, then I will sell off depending on how this candle pulls. I will sell below the low or at the flip of the candle. So this is what I'm looking for. But see, it's giving us that it's giving a bearish momentum. So we might likely see some bullish volume and price might likely push to the upside. So for that, we wait. We actually wait, guys. Actually, this is time to be patient. Not the time to just jump into any trade. But also put that in mind that you might also, while being patient, you might also miss the opportunity and price might leave you and price might just move to profit. But that's fine. That is very fine. It should be expected. It should be very much expected because that's what trade is all about. You cannot cash all the trades, you cannot make all the money. You just have to cash the ones, see the ones you can see, and make the ones you can make. So that's practically it. That's practically what's going on right now. So let's be there. But looking at the way this candle is moving, I'm looking at the 5 minutes as well. And the 5 minutes might be good. The 5 minutes candle might actually be good. So looking at the 5 minutes candle, we might just get a buying opportunity based on the 5 minutes. I think I'll wait for this candle to close. If I see a small pullback, then I might get into the trade. Let's see. Let me see. Let me see. Will I get a small pullback on the 5 minutes? I just get. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Do I like the way it's pushing down? Okay. 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 So we're waiting, guys. We're waiting for. I like the way you kind of pushing. I just went up and it's pushing down. So let's wait for the 15 minutes candle to close, guys. Let's see how the 15 minutes candle close. Then we know how we're going to dive into the trade. So we have about 8 more minutes. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see how the trade runs out. Let's see how the trade runs out, guys. Just put in mind that we might likely not have a decent position in this trade, but let's see. So the flip now should be our entry. Like price breaking above this high should be our entry. We also continue pushing price to the upside. So this should be a nice one. Even the pullback should be your entry as well. But let's see, guys. So let's say if we can quickly get 20 people on this trade. Let's see if we can quickly get 20. I think I've gotten 20 already though. Let's see how the next let's see how the 15 minutes goes. Then we decide. Let's wait and see how the 15 minutes candle close. Then we decide on what to do. Please hope you guys have not placed any trade. I didn't call out any trade. If you look at Telegram too, I didn't call out any trade because we're waiting. Because this is here doesn't mean no trade, guys. Like absolutely no trade yet. So let's wait. No trade yet. No trade yet. Yeah, no trade yet. So we're waiting. Actually, just waiting for this. Waiting for these guys. So we'll know soon enough. No sooner or later. So we have about 5 more minutes. Whew. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, guys. Just hold on, guys. 5 more minutes, and we decide if we're going for long, shorts, or whatever. Just hold on for the next 5 minutes. But still putting in mind that we might miss the move in the process. In process of waiting for what one price to do, we might miss the move, and price might just do its own thing. That's what I want you guys to put in the back of your head that you might actually miss the move. We might actually miss the move. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. We have 4 more minutes. Seems like price is holding on his position, waiting for us. Is it breaking? Is it closing above this level? Let's look on our left. Let's see how price have rejected up that level in the past. There was a break of structure. We had a massive drive to the upside. Let's see the place that price is always likely to come and retest. Let's see from looking at the past. So we have this level here. So this level we should be looking to close some position first thing first. So let's see. Let's just see how this candle closes. Let's see if we get a rejection or it close back below the zone. We'll know sooner or later, but for now, no trade yet. You can see it broadly written here, so I don't want anybody jumping into any trade. It's not supposed to. I did not call out any trade. I did not call out any opportunity. I just was showing you guys some things that could happen, and obviously it did not happen. So let's wait, guys. Well, 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes to the end of this candle. And if this particular setup doesn't play out, that'll be it for the stream. That'll be it for the stream, and we'll come back tomorrow. And hopefully, tomorrow's stream is a longer one or something. Let's see, guys. Let's see. So we have not placed any trade today. We are not taking any trade this month on stream, and we have a very poor result when it comes to trade taking this year. We're very poor. You can see just total of 9 trades has been placed this entire year because we have not been streaming for a while. So that's the only thing. That's the only thing for now. I haven't been streaming for a while. So let's see. So we have 1 more minute. I need this counter to slow down a bit. Slow down a bit so we can actually call out some things. So let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen here. So remember what I want price to do after it closes is I want to see price break down a bit. Then you can get it on off the flip because you can get this one off the flip of the candle if it wicks down first. And we'll put our stop loss below the structure. Yeah, not below the wick, but below the structure. Below inside the range back. That's what we're going to put our stop loss. So let's see. We need price to do something nice. Then we can get into some actions. First day back on stream. Hopefully we get something nice. Hopefully we get some trades that's making a lot of sense. Hopefully we get some trades that are making a lot of sense. Hopefully we get some trade. So looking at the way it is right now, I feel like our entry is going to be top of the candle, candle break of highs. Where I'm seeing the candle goes close, break of the high. We're in for 56 pips stop loss. So let me mark this out and try and send it to the community. But not now. I actually need that rejection first. So this is what I see. This is what I look like I'm working with right now. But I need price to reject to the downside first. I don't want to see that massive push immediately starts. I need to see some rejection to the downside first. Then we can look for something. I can see price pushing down a bit. Like at least for the first 1 minute, price needs to come down a bit. Then from there we can look to. But for the 5 minutes, 5 minutes are giving us enough rejection. So actually price can actually just push up and start going. But this is what we need. This is what we need right now. So the trade has been sent out to the community. It has been sent out. Let's see if we get the flip of the candle, and let's see if we get this trade today. Let's just see if we get this trade today. So if we don't, it's fine. We'll just see it's pushing down massively. It's pushing down massively, man. It's pushing down massively. It's pushing down massively. So I think this trade is low and void. I think it might likely end up playing our sell opportunities. So I don't know if we will have to wait for the next 30 minutes. I don't know. I don't know. I still have sell opportunities below here. But I'm looking for this quick buy. So let's see. Let's see. So this candle already pushed down for over. This push down is 43 pip to the downside. 43. So it's fine. Price can see flip bullish and move upward. So let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's see how that plays out. Let's see how that plays out, guys. Let's see how that plays out. The trader here active. We're just observing it and seeing how it's all unfolds. So we're waiting. So if you should want to see push up, you could do something like this. It could actually do something like this. You could get this trade like closing like some weak momentum. Then the next candle could also be the one to push it bullish to the upside. Then still the break of the high, we're going to get triggered and to go. Or price just break the highs now and give us our entry. I'll make some money. So I like the way the 5 minutes now is closing. I like the way the 5 minutes candle is about to close. So that'll be good. Let's wait on and see how that plays out. We're still looking at the trades. Look at the trade. So let's see. Look at the trade. All right, guys. Let's see. As price find its direction or is still playing around with our feelings. So I don't know. This is where we are right now. Sorry for you young guys. I'm a bit tired this morning, but I just needed to stream with you guys. So it is what it is. I'm still holding my positions. I'm still holding my buy stops. So I'm still waiting and seeing what price will likely want to unfold for me. Then I will mm, I will jump right. So I'm still holding my position, guys. I'm still holding my position. All right, guys. The trade not yet active, so we're just waiting. Like it didn't get activated, and it's pushing downwards right now. So we might not close the way we like it, but varieties, we're active, and we're looking at the charts. We're looking at the charts. It should be nice if this candle close bullish, but it's fine regardless. Like I said, it's fine regardless. Fine regardless, guys. Let's see. We have 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute, and if we don't get anything good, that'll be all. We call it a day. We call the stream off, and we move on to tomorrow. But for now, we ain't seen anything apart from this opportunity. So you can see leaving your buy stops, leaving your buy stops because this is exactly where I put my buy stops. If you get in case you guys are not seeing levels should be showing on the side. So leaving the buy stop. But if this candle doesn't close above the line, then you can delete the buy stop. But for now, it's good. Where the buy stops are, it's still perfectly fine. If you push above, we can easily adjust our stop loss to like this level or where it is right now. So I'm leaving the buy stops for now. Leave it in. We have about a few seconds. So let's see how the candle decides to close. Let's say it can decide to close. But just leave the buy stop on. Leave the buy stop on, guys. Leave the buy stop on. So perfect closing on the 30 minutes to good closing on the 30 minutes time frame. So we are good to go on this trade. We are actually good to go on this trade. So let's see if we can get something nice. I won't stay to the end of this particular candle. So let's just see what happens. So I like the way it's pushing downwards right now. 30 minutes closing fine, very fine. So this is good. This is actually good. So let's see, guys. It's not compulsory. We have a trade on stream. It's not compulsory. We make money on stream. We just doing our thing. It's not compulsory. So modified everything, set it properly, and now let's wait. Let's see if we get the break. Let's see if we get the money run. Let's see if we make some dough. Let's see how this trade want to unfold. Then we know exactly what's next. For now, nothing's going on. Just wait. Bullish candle, whatever it is. This is what I want price to do. So another thing price can do if it doesn't want to still push up, but I expect this price now to give us some bullish momentum. Like I expect to give us some bullish momentum. I first start making some move from where it is right now. So that's what I expect price to do. But I am not in control of the market. I have no say over what the market does. But if we get what we need, we get what we need. So 30 minutes too is looking good. So if you get the break of the structure, price breaking above this high on the 30 minutes, then that is the perfect move for some bullish run. And you can see if we could probably make some money from it, some in and out type sheets, those price jumping in and jumping out. Let's just see. Let's just see. So the 5 minutes, the 30 minutes, 5 minutes count is about to close. So you can see the 5 minute structure is very dirty market structure, not clean at all. It's just moving around, doing its own thing. But still, it created this formation for you. Breaks below, came down, failed to close below the structure. So then and then again, you might actually see some bullish driving. So let's just wait. Let's see what happens. We know. Let's just see what happens. But for now, we have to just look at our charts kindly and hope that something plays out. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. While gold is doing its own, this is London Open, and it's a Monday morning. I have not gotten into any trade, so I don't think it's early. I don't think it's early, but still on still, I'm not in a hurry to place any trade. Like I'm literally not in a hurry to look for any opportunities and start trading this Monday morning. So I'm not looking for a quick trade on gold, but I haven't actually placed any trade. So we're just still waiting, seeing if it plays out. So if it doesn't play out, like in the next 5 minutes, if it doesn't play out, that's my cue for the day till tomorrow. So I was just expecting one quick momentum, one quick bullish candle that could likely just give me like a 60, 70, 100 pip move, and I'll just take it and I'll be out. But price is not doing anything that I like. So since it's not doing anything I like, I'm fine with not placing any trade. Do you understand? I'm fine with not placing any trade. Mondays are usually good for me if I get an opportunity. If I don't get an opportunity, they don't need for me to force any entry or force any trade or force anything in the market. I just have to take my cue and leave. So that's basically how that's basically how I operate. So now I'm looking at the chart, I'm not seeing anything that is what my why or what me waiting for. You can see that because obviously price doesn't want to move. Like price is struggling, it doesn't want to move. Tell me that okay, I want to push up a bit, but it's struggling. Like sellers are pushing the price down, pushing the price down. So if this 5 minutes close below, I don't know, I'm just stalling right now because I have no real reason why I should be in chat anymore. But I'm stalling because this is actually London. This is London section, and there's also London volume. So there's usually volume two during London section. So I'm just stalling and checking if price has something good for me. But I don't think I have anything good right now because this is my setup, and this is trade. I call it this trader out, and it's not yet active. Like I call this trade out like 15 minutes ago or more than 15 minutes ago, so it's not yet active, and it's still just here spending. So no trade yet. So, anyways, I get what it mean by today being Monday, but I just also want to be on the stream, be on the chat. I've not streamed in a while. So I also want to be with my people, the community, with everybody. So another thing that can happen is price can decide to make his new resistance level, and you just be in this range for a while. Just be in this range for a while. So that being said, I think I will likely I think I'll likely end the stream soon, like in the next 5 minutes, which is the end of this 15 minutes candle. So that's where I'll be ending the stream. Yeah, that will be ending the stream. So if you guys have any question, you can shoot me any question. And I'm looking at GJ for a second right now. GJ was looking good. Okay, it's not, sorry, my bad. I'm looking at let's see, let's just see how this particular let's say this particular trades let's say this particular trade unfolds. You get it might still decide to push up, move, but I was saying to the community, but I will not, like obviously I'm not being streaming anymore, but I was saying to the community and you guys will see it. That's exactly what I'm going to do. But for now, there's nothing going on. Let's wait. Let's wait. Maybe we can get activated in the next 5 minutes. Maybe not. Maybe. So as you can see, but the 30 minutes is still good. Looking at the 30 minutes candle is still very much alive. If price breaks above the previous 30 minutes high, and that's also it has broken above the 1 hour high already too. So that's broken above the 1 hour previous 1 hour high. So this is support level price created broken above. So let's see. Let's just see. Let's look at the 40 minutes, 4 hours too. 4 hours, that's the new 4 hours candle. Weak rejection. Let's just see. There's nothing too much to be seen, nothing too much not to be seen. We're just waiting, looking at the charts. And you can see the 5 minutes to fail to break close below the structure. So this level might be holding, it might not be holding. So this next 5 minutes, I don't know. I don't know. KFX MKT. I am looking to scalp gold. Do you understand? I'm not looking to get into a quick position or hold a long trade. I'm not looking for an easy in and out on gold. And I've established that gold, although I'm looking for more sales than buys on gold right now, I'm not looking for selling opportunity. But I'm getting um a kind of market structure that price might actually want to push up a bit before push down. So I'm looking to catch like the 50% retracement, which is this entire move is about 200 pips. So I'm looking to catch like about half of it with somewhere around here, price coming up somewhere around here to close off some position before price start pushing back down because it's giving me some selling momentum. So that why I'm actually putting this my support here because I'm looking for sales anything below 4709. So that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm anticipating on gold. But there's just the way this count is for me that I feel like if this not feel like I've seen it happen multiple times that possibility of this candle breaking above this high, price going to drive. It might be a quick drive, but it just needs to be in and out. Like I said, the scalp I'm looking to scalp this particular pair right now. But you can see the trade is not activated because price has not done anything. And it's like I said, it's Monday, and since it's Monday, I'm not looking to stay in the chart or look for more opportunity longer than I'm supposed to be. And looking at the 1 hour, like you mentioned, price has a support level below this level, and I trade breakout. Obviously, by most of my setup is based on breakout, and if I'm looking for new opportunity from the 1 hour, my buy should be above, not even above this level. My buy should be way, 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 way above. But gold has been giving big, big candles, big, big volumes. Like any small move, you can see like a large pip count, you can see, you can imagine that this entire pip count is already 100 pips on gold. So although it has even reduced a bit, but it has been giving large pip count, so I can just easily cash a move and be out of the chart in no time. So that's if price wants to give me something to trade off. But if it doesn't, I'm fine with either one. Like I'm legitimately fine with either one. It's better I don't even place a trade than force a trade and lose money from it. So that's it. That's particularly it. So we have 1 more minute, and I don't think we're getting anything in 1 minute. So I think this is the time I'll about to wrap up this show, wrap up the stream, and I'll see you guys tomorrow because I'll be streaming tomorrow as well. I'll see you guys same time tomorrow. Hopefully we get some London volume. But if we don't get throughout this week, if we don't get any London volume, I don't see London giving us what it used to give us like a couple of months ago. I think we'll switch to NY. We start doing a bit of NY streams, and maybe. Before we start doing NY stream, I will monitoring it personally, seeing if it's good, and if there's opportunities on NY, maybe we switch to NY till we get our London momentum back, and from there we will likely. Okay, let's see how this good closes. 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 I see. Okay. The reason why I'm streaming only London is because I have other things to do during the day. So after streaming is like London stream is like when I have like free time in the morning. I have free time on my hands. So anyway, I'm usually busy. I go out, I do other stuff. So I just sometimes I might not be consistent on NY stream, but I'm for a fact know that I can be consistent doing this one. You understand? I know for a fact I'm consistent doing this one, but not NY. For London, I know I'm usually when I wake up in the morning, it's usually have less work, less activities to do, unless something come up, I'm busy, I need to step out. But if aside that, I'm always free in the morning. So for afternoon time, I usually step out. There's all maybe one or two errands I need to do, one or two places I need to be, one or two projects I need to check. So that's always how it is. Well, that's just it. Sometimes I can free out on my from my schedules and make NY work. I think I've streamed NY once or twice, like New York section once or twice in the past. But I just focus on London section because I make more money trading New York. London, sorry. I make more money trading London because I've checked my entire win rates and I have more win rates trading London than any other place. So this is what we are seeing. You can see this level, this 5 minutes level is still holding. You can see it's still holding firm. Like all the time frame accumulates and you see the same thing, it's still holding firm. The buy stop is still on, but I think you guys need to leave the buy stop now and wait because price has created a new resistance here. This is a new resistance and this is support. So this is what we're working with right now. This is exactly what we're working with right now. But like I said, the 30 minutes candle is still open. The 30 minutes candle is still open. This is like the last 30 minutes, which means you can likely see a drive. Price can break above and push, but that's going to be an impulsive entry. And I don't like impulsive trades on Monday. So I will advise you to close your buy stop if you have buy stop open because me I'm no longer trading this morning. I've like literally closed off my position right now. I'm doing that right now. So what I would advise you guys to do is do the same or hold on to your trade, wait for this candle to close above this level, then you can look for momentum to push up. So regardless, that's it. I think that's all I have. But you guys will see me more. I'll be becoming more. I'll be more active now online. You guys will see me. And obviously, yes, I'm going to do some NY streams too. But for now, let's just see how it goes. And I will bring people onto the stream, like some top traders once in a while, to come talk about the trades, talk about a lot of things. And along the line, I'll be doing like giveaway, Profem giveaway, giving a couple of Profem off to people because I know traders need that. So I'll be doing a lot of Profem giveaway too. I think that's about it. That's all. So see you guys tomorrow, same time. But if any update on this trade, any update on this analysis, I still have about 30 minutes or an hour before I step out. So I'm going to send that to you guys and you guys are going to see it. So peace and love. And thank you all for coming to my stream. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate the support. And KF, KF's, yeah, KFX. Thank you for the question because you are the only one asking me questions today. So well, I hope I answer your questions well though.